Hello, it's Ari here from Ari's Tech Channel, and today we'll be dividing the video up into two parts. Windows, how to install Google Chrome, and Safari, how to install Google Chrome. So let's start with Safari, because according to YouTube, most of my viewers are from Mac. Anyway, start by searching up Google Chrome download. Then click enter and click on the first link, google.com, download Google Chrome. Next, click download Chrome for macOS 10.13 or later. And click OK, got it. Thanks for downloading, just a few steps left. And you should wait. You should be able to wait. And if it doesn't happen, click download Chrome manually and click allow. And yeah, it should go straight into your downloads, and you'll have to wait till it's finished there. And while that's downloading, let's try downloading Google Chrome from Microsoft. Okay, so go ahead and type in the exact same thing, Google Chrome download. That's a 0, but yeah, I realized this last time I was installing it. There's no need to download a new web browser. I don't care. But yeah, that's actually kind of funny. But yeah, you just have to click the exact same link. It should say for Windows, and it should download it immediately, but you can also click download Chrome manually. And yeah, it'll do that. And let's go and check up on our Mac download. Okay, yeah, it's not finished. I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, it's finished. Now, it's a bit different on Windows. On Windows, you're gonna have to open it up and go through the installer. It might be in a zip file, in which case you just open up File Explorer, click on Downloads, right-click on the .zip, and click Extract All, and then click Extract, and it should extract it to downloads. And then it will either come in a folder or it'll be a .exe file. So let's just focus on Mac now. Okay, so Google Chrome.dmg. Let's open it up. Now we'll say opening verifying. That's just that Mac checking it for viruses. It takes so long. I think you can skip it. There we go. Haven't tried that. And for Windows, it will be going through the installer, clicking next, agree, install, and wait for it to install. And then you can literally just drag Google Chrome into this folder when you're on Mac. And an older item named Google Chrome already exists. This is because I already installed Google Chrome. So I'm just going to click stop. And there you go. That's how you install it. My name is Ari, and that was installing Google Chrome on Mac and Windows.